A surprisingly simple YouTube niche is taking off right now. AI-generated FIFA World Cup 2026 explainer videos. Some creators are already pulling in hundreds of thousands of views with minimal editing. And one channel recently crossed 200,000 views on a single video while getting close to monetization. The timing is perfect because competition is still relatively low. These videos focus on fascinating topics that naturally grab attention. Watch this I have made.
A team could finish third in their group, dead last in their group, and still lift the World Cup trophy. That's not a hypothetical. That's actually possible at the 2026 World Cup, and nobody's really talking about it. So in the next few minutes, let's break down exactly how this works, why it changes everything, and which teams might actually pull it off. The new format. The 2026 World Cup has 48 teams. They're split into 12 groups of 4 teams each. Every team plays 3 matches. Top 2 in each group advance automatically.
Creating these videos is easier than most people think. Start by using ChatGPT to generate viral topic ideas. For all prompts, check out my Telegram. Paste the topic prompt for video topics, then take the chosen topic to Claude to create a detailed, high-quality script. Copy the script prompt and paste it into Claude AI. Paste here your video topic. Once the script is ready, generate a professional voiceover with Google AI Studio. Next, use Claude again to turn every sentence of the script into image generation prompts. Paste that prompt and paste the script here. After this, feed those prompts into Google Flow using Nano Banana Pro to create unique visuals for each scene. See the quality of images, these are insane. Continue generating images until the entire script is covered. I have generated all images, then import everything into CapCut, sync the images with the voiceover, and add smooth animation effects to make the video more dynamic and engaging. Within a short time, you'll have a professional-looking explainer video ready to upload.